Main focus is to come up with a bag. Ain't gonna be no slacking, ain't got time for none of that. Put it in their face. They already mad. Disappear while I'm stacking and they be like, where you been?
It is your girl Chanté, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, what's up with it? Please be sure to hit that subscription button followed by the notification bell so you are updated when I post new videos weekly. And if you've been here, welcome back. Guys, please be sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. The information will be below for all my handles, and I would really like it if you guys could smash that like button so this video can get pushed to more people and I can continue to grow my community. So as you can already see, I look a little bit crazy, and as you can tell by the title, this video is me copying a Nikkie tutorial look that I saw that I really fell in love with. So I am here using the Sweet Oasis palette to achieve this look. And I am also using my Take Me to Brazil palette as well to achieve this look. So really super simple. This look seems to be to come together. It is just two colors that I've been using, and my eyelid is already has some concealer on it, and then we can get into this video right now. So what I'm going to do is just go in and use a transition shade from this palette here, this color, and it is Rooftop View. Just as the first color base, my transition shade. What I've been learning is it's better to start with lighter colors than darker colors, because you can always work up for lighter colors. Once you're like there with the dark color, it's there, like you're not going anywhere. So I'm gonna take this saltwater dip. The Morphe palette does not have a mirror, so I just keep using my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I pack that on in the front of my eye. I tried before using the P. Louise to achieve like a good eye, and for whatever reason it keeps creasing. In the middle of my eyelid, the color does not stay. You can drag this out a little bit more because it is that lighter shade, so you won't have an issue covering it with that purple. It's okay if it's a little bit messy. I do also take this shade here from the Take Me to Brazil palette, which I don't know what the color is, and to brighten it up a little bit. Go in with another brush, go into this dark purple right here, and then I start lightly patting it in this corner, because this purple is serious deal. It's deep color, it's a dark shade, it's gonna really make an impact, and I want it to, but I don't want it to overshadow too much of that blue. So now you can see, this is the eye that I started off with. This is where we are now. I'm trying to make a lot of moves in my personal life and career life. Like, I want to do different things and just wanting to expand and to grow. So it's an exciting time right now, because you know, you just lean on God and just see what's to come, and what he turns water into wine. Like, I didn't expect last year to be where I'm at, so I can only imagine where else he is ready to take me. And I just want to receive all that he has for me. One thing he knows about me is that I will not tolerate disrespect in the workplace. I will not tolerate disrespect. I will not tolerate the fact that you do not realize that, yes, there are Black people that work at your company, and you need to do more than just pretend like Black Lives Matter so people can continue to shop your stores. So now I'm just going back over that line, and this one also, so that way I can make a nice blurred effect with that purple into the blue. So I also went in with this shade, I'm not sure if I mentioned that, this blue shade here, just to liven up that blue. Okay, so we finished the top layer of our eyes. Then we're gonna go in, I'm gonna go in with some more precise brushes, like this one here, and take that same purple and do my under eye. And do the same thing on the other side. And I'm actually like creating a nice little wing with this, so that way when I clean it up with my concealer, it has a nice shape. Then I will take another brush and go in and do that blue. I'll take this little thin brush and marry that blue. Okay, so now my under eye also has that same effect. Then I'm gonna go into this Oasis palette, and I'm gonna use these two shades for my corner. So then I have these here, these little pieces here that I got from Amazon. I'll put some lip stuff on because I'm feeling a little dry. This is the Too Faced Pillow Balm lip treatment, and it's literally everything. Now I've applied my little lip situation, and I'm gonna add these onto my face. Okay, still kind of looking a little crazy here, but just hang on with me. This is where I'm at now with these stones. I applied them off camera just to show you guys like where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna go in and apply the other half on this side, and then I'll probably end up finishing my full face and then coming back to you guys and letting you see the finished results. Okay guys, this is the final look on this eye makeup that of me copying NIKKIEtutorials. I think it came out really cute. There are some things I could have done differently and that I kind of learned from. I'm really excited about this silver in the middle of my eye. I actually used that from the Oasis palette and it actually came out really good. I just used the color Windsurf and Take Me Back, and I just sprayed some of my setting spray on it and then let it go just like that. I have on my natural lashes, but if I did have a pair of false lashes, this would elevate this look a lot more. I just need to get on my lash game, but otherwise I think this came out really cute. I'm really loving the colors that this has going together. Like when she did it, I was like, this looks so freaking cute. So I will insert a picture here of what she looked like and now what I look like. I haven't really been doing like a lot of makeup videos, so getting back into it and being able to come and do this is really, really fun. I have some other like ones that I've seen that I want to kind of like try out, and I love the way it looks. So I hope you guys enjoy. Simple, easy look that you can get together with. Like I think that for me, eyeshadows and eye makeup was so intimidating in the beginning, but once you have the right brushes, which I highly recommend you getting some Morphe Elite brushes, some good shadows, that's a really big thing. And if you're starting out, I highly recommend you go with Anastasia because her colors blend beautifully, and I don't even need a base. Like I have on my concealer because the blue was not showing up really well for me, but like you don't even need a base for those colors. They come up so amazingly and they're so creamy and they blend amazingly. So those are ones that I actually recommend for you to try out. But otherwise, everything that I used I'll put in the description box. I'll put where I got these little stones and the two palettes that I used and all that. So I hope you guys enjoy. This was really fun for me to do. I was like a little nervous, but it ended up coming out good and it's really easy. So I'm just gonna continue to keep learning and getting better. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment below what are some of your favorite Nikkie tutorial videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.